Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday at Dollar General, which will be September the 18th. We've got some free scenarios plus some money makers. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item in the app under the list feature to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store, and even if you are 1 penny under that $25 mark, it can throw off your whole scenario and that 5 off $25 coupon will not work. And here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. If you have the newer keypads in place, you will have to ask the cashier what your subtotal is. If you still have the older keypads, it will actually show you the subtotal on the screen. Next, I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have the older keypad, it will show you which digital coupons applied. Then, if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Always keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction, kind of regroup, and then try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account. And if you handed over any paper coupons, those will also still work because the transaction was never completed. Alright, so before we get into the scenarios, I do want to let y'all know we are going to be including some Fetch Rewards rebates in a couple of these scenarios. So if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend you go and check it out, especially if you are a new couponer. This is the easiest rebate app out there. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, definitely go and check it out. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. If you use it, you will receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. So go ahead and sign up and check it out. So before we get started today, I do have a quick favor to ask of you all, and it is super simple and easy. It's not a big deal at all, but I do want to ask y'all, please watch the video all the way through. There's a couple of reasons why I ask y'all to do this. Number one, it does tell YouTube that you guys are interested in the content that I'm making, and it helps the channel grow. And the second reason is for you guys. So I try to make these videos as short, sweet, and simple as possible because I know that a lot of us are super busy. A lot of us are parents. A lot of us have kids at home right now doing the virtual learning and all of that good stuff, right? So I try to make these videos short, sweet, and simple for you all for that reason, and also that way you can just screenshot these scenarios and you have all the information that you need. You don't have to write anything down in a notebook, none of that stuff, right? So that's why I kind of lay these videos out like this so that you guys don't have to worry about it. You have it all in your phone and you're ready to rock and roll on Saturday. You can walk into Dollar General, pull up those slides, and then you'll know what to look for, okay? But I know that it's very easy to skip through the video. Because I set the videos up like that, it's very easy to skip through, take your screenshots, click off the video, and never look back, right? And I understand that. I completely understand that. Believe me, 110%. But I'm only human and life happens, things get busy, and even though I try to double, triple, quadruple check these slides before I put my video together, things still happen. Typos happen, things get overlooked, and when I'm doing my voiceovers and explaining to you guys and going through these scenarios with you, sometimes I catch those last minute and I can say, hey, that's a typo, that's not supposed to be $1.65, that's supposed to be $1.85 or whatever it may be. So again, it's very important. Please watch the video all the way through. And another quick point is if you're a new couponer and you come in here and you just take the screenshots and move on, you may not realize things are on sale. So for instance, this week we have Snuggle and all products. They are 2 for $8, but you go into the store and they're tagged at $4.50 each, and you're like, wait a second, Crazy Coupons told me these were 2 for $8 and there's no sale tag, so it kind of may throw you off, you know what I'm saying? So again, I'll try to keep these videos as short, sweet, and simple as I possibly can, but please just watch the video all the way through. It helps you out and it will help me out. So enough of my jibber jabbering, let's get on into these scenarios. Alright guys, so first up we have a household scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the All or Snuggle products that are on sale this week, 2 for $8. And remember to scan, because not all of the All or Snuggle products are matching with that sale or matching with the coupon. So make sure you're scanning. Next, you want to pick up one of the Palmolive 25-ounce dish soaps at $2, one of the Febreze warmers for $3, one Airwick starter kit for $3.35, one of the Lysol products that are priced at $2. So they do have the sprays, the multi-purpose cleaners, and the toilet bowl cleaner. They're $2. And you want to pick up one of the Lysol products from the dollar aisle. Again, we have wipes, multi-purpose cleaners, and toilet bowl cleaner for $1. Then you want to pick up one of the 6-count Tylenols, also found in the dollar aisle. 3 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.75. They are on sale, 2 for $3. And one of the Colgate toothpaste in the dollar aisle. Your subtotal will be $26.10. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you want to make sure you've got your 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 All or Snuggle, the 50-cent off 1 Palmolive, the 3 off 1 Febreze, 150 off 1 Airwick, 2 of the 50-cent off 1 Lysol products, the 1 off 1 Tylenol, the 5 off 3 Colgate, and the 2 off 1 Colgate. Your subtotal after coupons will be $4.10 for 12 items, or just 34 cents each. Alright, so for this next scenario, we have a cat food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 of the Cat Chow 3.15 pound bags at $17.55. They are $5.85 each. 3 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.75. Again, they are on sale, 2 for $3. One of the Colgate toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $1. One of the Tylenol 6-count for $1. And one of the Febreze warmers for $3. Your subtotal will be $27.30. Now, please keep in mind, especially for this scenario, we are just using the Colgate and the Tylenol and the Febreze as filler items. So if you can't find those Tylenols or the Febreze warmers, there's definitely different coupons out there that you can mix and match. For instance, the Lysol, we have plenty of those Lysol coupons. Or if you can find the $2 Tylenol that I showed you all in my last video, that would also be a great filler item and substitution for the $1 Tylenol. Alright, so here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the buy 2, get 1 free Cat Chow DG store coupon. That's going to take off $5.85. 3 of the 150 off 1 Cat Chow coupons from the 9/12 save insert that we just got last Sunday. The 5 off 3 Colgate, the 2 off 1 Colgate, the 1 off 1 Tylenol, and the 3 off 1 Febreze. And that is going to bring your subtotal all the way down to just 95 cents for 9 items, making each one just 11 cents each. And I think that's an awesome deal considering we are getting all of that cat food. Alright guys, so for this next scenario, we have an all-digital personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Maybelline Great Lash Mascaras at $5.25, one of the Axe 1.7-ounce deodorants for $2.50, one Axe 2-in-1 shampoo for $4, 3 of the Suave 10-ounce lotions for $6. They are $2 each, possibly $1.95 each. So again, make sure that you're scanning your items. 1 of the Suave 1.4-ounce deodorants for $1, 3 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.75. They are $1.75 each, but they are on sale, 2 for $3. 1 of the Colgate toothpaste for $1, 1 of the Crest 4.6-ounce toothpaste for $2.50, 1 of the Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioners for $3. Your subtotal will be $30. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And keep in mind there are 2 slides. So here is the first one and here is the second one. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Maybelline, the 2 off 1 Maybelline DG store coupon, the 2 off 6 Axe DG store coupon, the 150 off 1 Axe product, 1 off 1 Axe hair, 2 off 6 Suave DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Suave lotion, the 2 off 2 Suave lotions. So there's a typo right there. It's 2 off 2 Suave lotions, the 40-cent off 1 Suave deodorant, 5 off 3 Colgate, 2 off 1 Colgate, 2 off 1 Crest, and 2 off 1 Garnier coupon. And your subtotal after coupons will be just 10 cents for all 13 items, and that makes them less than 1 penny each. So how awesome is that? Now let's all cross our fingers. I'm going to go out and try to do this deal today at a new store and see what I can find. But it gets a little bit better because we have a 1,000-point bonus back on Fetch Rewards for Axe deodorants. So you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get back $1, and that is going to make your final price completely free plus a 90-cent moneymaker. So how awesome is that, considering this is an all-digital deal? No insert coupons needed whatsoever. Now, if you all do have insert coupons from last Sunday's newspapers, here is a scenario for you. This is basically the same exact scenario, except right down there at the bottom, we are going to add on 4 of those Snickers Brownies singles. They are 95 cents each, but they are on sale. Buy one, get one for free. So if you pick up 4, that's going to put you at $1.90. So that's going to bring your subtotal to $31.90. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and there are 2 slides with this one as well. So here's the first one, and here is the second one. And here is your list of coupons. Now, everything is basically the same. When we clipped our coupons on Sunday, if you received the Unilever, I told you all, do not clip the one-off-one Axe hair digital coupon. So if you didn't clip that one, you can add on that 2-off-1 Axe hair coupon that came in last Sunday's Unilever insert. Then you're also going to need the buy one, get one free Snickers DG store coupon and the 75% off 2 Snickers manufacturer coupon. So after all of those digital coupons are applied, that is going to make this scenario completely free, plus give you 70 cents in overage. Now, you can let that 70 cents eat up your tax. Just make sure that you do not let the DG cashiers give you cash back. They cannot do that. They will get in trouble for that. Now, you can also throw in a gallon of milk or a loaf of bread if you know that you're going to need something this week. Throw that into this scenario and then let that 70 cents in overage apply to that item, however you guys want to work it, okay? But definitely an awesome deal, but it gets a little bit better. Because you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, we have that 1,000-point bonus back on the Axe deodorant. So submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you're going to get $1 back. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus you've made $1.70. So how awesome is that? I am definitely going to be scoping out my stores today to see if I can pull off this scenario on Saturday. Here's another little Fetch Rewards deal that I found last night. So this is on the Nature Valley or the General Mills cereals bars. So if you want to pick up one of these at Dollar General, these are $3.50. We received a 75% off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to bring you down to $2.50. And then you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. We have a 1,000-point bonus, which is the equivalent of $1. So that will make your final price $1.50. So this, again, is another great filler item for your 5 off $25 scenarios. Now, one more quick reminder, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, definitely go and check it out. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. If you use it, you will receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. So that could turn a money-making scenario into an even bigger money-making scenario. So definitely go check it out and sign up. Now, just in case y'all missed it, I do want to let y'all know about this $10 challenge video that I posted earlier in the week. If you missed it, I'm going to leave that one linked down in the pinned comment below, where I did find some freebies and some glitches, so definitely go and check it out. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it really does help me out. And I know a lot of you all out there watch this video. It just takes a second. Please just click that little thumbs up button for me. It's right down below. It'll just take a second of your time. And also, please leave me a comment down below before you go, whether you have deals to share, or if you just want to say hello, or if you just want to tell me how your week's going. I love to hear from you guys, so leave that comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next one.